Welcome back. Let's see the CRUD operation in asynchronous functions instead of the synchronous functions. You can pause the video and try it yourself. If you have done it successfully, congratulations. If not, just follow me. First, we're going to import the module. Let's create a folder. Created a folder successfully. I'm just going to delete the myfile.txt. Next, let's create a file within that folder. It did create the file successfully. If you have any doubts, just drop in the comment section. Let's append more data. And it should add hello world. Yeah, it does successfully. Let's read it. I'm just gonna be using read file function and not gonna be console logging in directly since we can do it in callback. Let me just add encoding type. And it did that. I'm gonna be telling you, what if I add another console log. I'm just gonna log hola. Now, if this was a synchronous function, first this would have been executed and then this console log function. But since it's an asynchronous functions, this is gonna take time. So it will first print the console log function and then print it. Actually, in the background, it's basically interpreting the data and then console logging, but it's taking time. Therefore, it's gonna console log hola first. As you can see here, that's the difference between synchronous and asynchronous. Now let's delete the file and folder. Not gonna be console. I'm just gonna console log the error if it is there, which will show null in our case. Is this gonna show null twice? Ah, forgot to add a comma. Yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. We're gonna be covering OS module in the next one. Peace out.